I tested over 30 home office gadgets this year. Most of them were trash. These 10 actually fixed real problems. But I need you to stick around, because coming up at number 3, I found something that hands back 2 hours of your day without changing a single thing about how you work. And the one sitting at the very top of this list, it quietly replaced 3 devices on my desk and saved me over $400. 10 gadgets, real problems, let's go. Let's kick things off with the most ignored problem in any home office, a built-in webcam. The Anker PowerConf C200 shoots 2K, that's 2560 times 1440, and it packs dual AI microphones that strip background noise in real time. On Amazon, it holds 4.5 stars across 12,000 plus reviews.
Oh my god! Wow!
And people consistently say it sounds cleaner than webcams that cost 3 times more. Price is $59.99. For 2K video and AI noise cancellation at under $60, honestly, that's embarrassing for every other webcam in this price range. If you're still rocking a fuzzy 720p laptop camera, people on your calls are judging you. This fixes that immediately. Stepping it up to the next level with number 9. What if your mousepad also charged your phone? The TopMade XXL desk mat is 31.5 by 15.75 inches. Massive. And it has a built-in 15-watt QI2 wireless charging zone that's fully MagSafe compatible. Non-slip base, ultra-smooth tracking surface, rated 4.56 stars on Amazon. At $42.99, it straight up eliminates your wireless charger and your old mouse pad. 2 things gone, 1 thing in. Less clutter, 1 less cable, and your phone is always topped up while you work. The kind of upgrade that makes your setup look intentional without even trying. Now checking out something pure aesthetic for number 8. This one is pure desk personality. The Divoom Times Gate is a pixel art smart clock, but it's also a Spotify visualizer, a weather display, a notification screen, and a fully customizable pixel art canvas you control from your phone. Want it to show your subscriber count? Done. Match the vibe of your RGB setup? Done. It holds 4.4 stars on Amazon and runs around $79. If your desk looks forgettable right now, this is the single cheapest way to make it look like a setup people stop scrolling to screenshot. Genuinely. Alright, breaking the mold with number 7. Real talk for a second. Sitting 8 to 10 hours straight is quietly destroying your focus, and most people just accept it. The Deskcise Pro V9 fits under any standard desk, has 8 resistance levels, and the display tracks your calories, RPM, and time in real time. 30 minutes of low resistance pedaling while you work burns around 200 calories. Amazon reviewers say afternoon energy crashes basically disappeared after 2 weeks of using it. Starts at $219. If your biggest productivity problem is the 2 p.m. wall, this might be the most underrated thing on this entire list so far. Moving right along to a total game changer at number 6. This tiny thing clips to your collar, and it is genuinely the most futuristic item in this whole video. The PLAUD NotePin is a wearable AI recorder. It transcribes everything in real time, supports 112 languages, and automatically summarizes the full conversation after. Meetings, calls, client sessions, no more typing notes after the fact. The next time someone asks you for the notes from a call, you just open the app and copy paste. It's already done. Priced at $160, and productivity creators on TikTok and YouTube have been going insane over this thing for months now. Very few people have it. That window closes soon. Cruising right into the top 5 now. Eye strain is the most overlooked productivity problem in home offices, and most people never connect the headaches and fatigue to their lighting. They just blame their screen. The BenQ ScreenBar Halo 2 mounts on top of your monitor and fires 1,000 plus lux of flicker-free light straight onto your desk. Zero screen glare. Color temperature dials from 2,700 Kelvin warm to 6,500 Kelvin cool. Auto-dimming sensor built in. Full wireless control via a physical puck. On Amazon, the reviews are extremely consistent. People say they tried it once and never looked back. If you're looking to upgrade your setup, the link is in the description. Hit subscribe for more workspace essentials and let me know in the comments, how do you deal with eye strain? $179. For anyone staring at a screen 8 hours a day, this is one of those purchases that makes you wonder how you survived without it. Brace yourself for something surprisingly useful at number 4, a smart mug. I know, hear me out. If you've ever made coffee, gotten distracted, and come back to a cold cup 40 minutes later, the Ember Mug 2 ends that forever. Set your exact temperature anywhere from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the app, and it holds it. 80-minute battery standalone or unlimited on the charging coaster. 4.0 stars across nearly 20,000 Amazon reviews. That is a lot of people keeping their drinks hot. $149.95 for the 14 ounces. You know how many times a day you lose focus getting up to reheat something? This thing quietly eliminates that micro disruption, and those add up more than you think. And now, entering the ultimate setup upgrades with number 3. Alright, I told you at the start that number 3 would give you back 2 hours a day. This is it. The Elgato Stream Deck MK2 has 15 fully customizable LCD keys. One tap mute zoom, switches OBS scenes, fires a Slack message, opens Notion, launches Chrome, whatever you program it to do. It has the biggest plugin marketplace of any macro pad in 2026. Thousands of integrations, rated top of its category by every major tech site. On sale, it hits $119.99. If you switch between 5 or more apps in a single workday, and most people switch between way more, this thing silently eliminates hundreds of clicks and micro decisions every single day. That time compounds into hours by the end of the week, getting dangerously close to the absolute best with number 2. We are almost at number 1, and this one is the desk setup secret that remote workers and content creators are sleeping on hard right now. The Satechi dual dock stand has a built-in M.2 NVMe SSD slot running at 10 gigabits per second, 2 times HDMI 2.0, 1 times DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 2 times USB-A, Gigabit Ethernet, and 75-watt laptop pass-through charging. That is 9 ports, plus onboard fast storage, all in one device. Most people are buying a separate dock, a separate SSD enclosure, and managing 6 extra cables on top of that. This does all of it. $169.99. Your cable situation will look completely different the day this lands on your desk. Finally, topping our list at number 1. And here it is. The one I said replaced 3 devices and saved me over $400. The Elgato Prompter is a teleprompter, but it connects with a single USB-C cable, and it works as your webcam, a secondary monitor, and your on-camera script display simultaneously. One device, one cable. No separate teleprompter rig, no second monitor arm, no extra webcam. People spend $400 to $600 buying those 3 things individually. The Elgato Prompter bundles all of it for around $249.99. For anyone making video content, recording anything to camera, or doing professional video calls, this changes the entire look and feel of your setup in one move. Best dollar per function product I tested this year by a mile. That's why it's sitting right here at the top. Every single link is in the description, already sorted so you don't have to hunt. Drop a comment telling me which one you're grabbing first. I read every single one. And if you made it this far without seeing something you want, I genuinely don't believe you. Subscribe! More lists like this are coming every week.